Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use Google Ads for effective marketing step by step clearly. Open your web browser and go to the Google Ads homepage. Click on the Start Now button. If you already have a Google account, sign in using your credentials. If you don't have an account, follow the prompts to create one. After signing in, you'll be directed to the campaign setup page. Choose the type of campaign you want to run. Consider options like search, display, video, shopping, or app campaigns. Select your campaign goal, such as sales, leads, or website traffic. Give your campaign a name that reflects its purpose. Set your budget based on how much you're willing to spend daily or monthly. Choose your bidding strategy. You can opt for manual bidding or let Google set your bids automatically. Define your target audience by selecting locations, languages, and demographics. Use specific targeting options to reach users who are most likely to engage with your ads. Create ad groups within your campaign. Each ad group should focus on a specific product or service. Write compelling ad copy that includes strong headlines and clear calls to action. Ensure your ads are relevant to the keywords you'll be using. Choose keywords that potential customers might use to find your products or services. Use the Google Keyword Planner tool to assist with keyword selection. Set up ad extensions to provide additional information like phone numbers or site links. Review your campaign settings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, click on the Publish button to launch your campaign. Monitor your campaign regularly to analyze performance. Check metrics like clicks, impressions, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategy based on performance data. Make changes to keywords, bids, or ad copy as necessary to optimize results. Continue testing different ads to see what resonates best with your audience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.